Now let's look at user-defined functions in Python. So we can declare any user-defined function with this statement, where def is the keyword to define a function, mul is the name of the function. These two are the arguments passed inside the function a comma b. C is equal to a into b, return C. Now let's execute this. Now x is equal to 10, y equal to 50, d is equal to mul x comma y. So now we are calling this user defined function, and these two arguments a and b are passed in the form of x and y, and values of variables are already declared as 10 and 50. So 10 into 50, 500, and 500 will be written. So in this case, when this particular statement is executed, it will go to this. X and y are already having value 10 and 50. So mul 10 comma 50, C is equal to 10 into 50. So C is 500, the return value of C. So 500 is written and assigned to D, variable D. Now print this statement, print this variable D, which is 500. So I hope user defined functions are clear. So whenever we want multiplication 1000 times or 100 times or more than, let's say more than 50 times in a program, then instead of writing same program 50 times, 20 times, 50 times, whatever, it's better to define a function and call that user defined function whenever necessary. So this is good practice. Thank you.